The chef is back, goddamn me. What we having right here is beef stew meat, well tender, well seasoned as y'all can see, fresh steaming and hot, goddamn me. And once again, my family wanted some more of my homemade spaghetti with homemade spaghetti sauce from fresh tomato, goddamn me, again. So that's 2 times in 1 week. They wanted spaghetti and my homemade cornbread. Look at that, goddamn me. Yummy, 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 yummy. I gotta stir that up and finish completing that. And that gonna be just yummy. Just like it was 2 days ago when I made it. And right here, we gonna have some homemade cornbread again. Finish pouring that in there, preheat the oven so we can go ahead and get that popping. And then I'm gonna do some mixed vegetable this time. But yeah, everything made from scratch here. My cornbread right here. And over here I got my spaghetti with my homemade spaghetti sauce from fresh tomatoes with extra ground beef in there, as y'all can see. Oh yeah, it's about to go down up in here. And some tender beef stew meat. And I'm gonna do me some probably broccoli and creamy style cheese, homemade. I'm gonna boil my broccoli till it's real tender. And then I'm gonna make me some homemade cream cheese and throw all my other spices in my broccoli and cheese that I ain't gonna reveal to y'all because it's a secret, goddamn me. And yeah, we about to eat good up in the Joker again as usual, goddamn me. Yummy, 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 motherfucking yummy, 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 yummy. Man, I can't wait to get done. I'm hungry and starving just looking at it, goddamn me. On welfare. I'm about to take it out through there. Y'all already know what it is, goddamn me. I'm about to take it on down through there. Oh yeah.